Hi, follow along to create this easy and beautiful bridal look using Urban Color products. Starting with the Blue Light Shield Moisturizing Creme to prep her skin. Next, I am using the Instant Radiance Illuminating Lotion to add that perfect bridal glow. Let's hydrate her lips using the Tinted Lip Balm. Next, using the Pro Multifunctional Foundation and Concealer Stick, I am using my fingers to create a base for my eyes. Setting this with the Expert Firm and Lift Compact and the Pro Crease brush. Let's create a crease line using the Pro Ultra Finish Contour and Highlighter Kit. I am using the brown shade with my Pro Crease brush. Next, I am going to use the Intense Color Eye Pencil with my Pro Smudger brush and spread it all across the eyelid. I am using the Stardust eyeshadow and my Pro Smudger brush in the inner and outer corners of the eye. Here, I am going to create a halo effect. All the colors will be mentioned in the detail box. Next, let's use the Stardust eyeshadow in gold and the Pro eyeshadow brush in the center of the eye. Use the Intense Color Eye Pencil in the waterline as kajal. Next, the High Definition Eyeliner. I am removing any fallout with the Makeup Melting Wipes and using the Pro Fix 3-in-1 palette, starting with the concealer in the shade W2.2. Here I am using the light to medium palette. Next, let's use the Expert Firm and Lift foundation. I have chosen a shade that matches her neck and her face. Using the Pro 3-in-1 palette in the shade C1.3. Next, I am using the Expert Firm and Lift compact. Make sure you pat it in place nicely. Next, let's use the Intense Color Eye Pencil and the Pro Smudger brush. I'm going to accentuate the under eyes, creating a beautiful blue hue. Next, let's use the Ultimate Lash Mascara to add volume and give her long, luscious lashes. Using the Pro Ultra Finish Contour and Highlighter Kit, along with the Pro Contour brush. Next, using the Matte and Glow Duo Blusher with the Pro Blush brush. I am using the Ultimate Duo Highlighter, again with the Pro Blush brush here. I am going to use this liner all over her lips, followed by the Love Me Matte lip color. Let's accentuate her brows using the Pro Wear Brow Pencil. I really hope you enjoyed the look. Drop in a comment if you recreate this. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel for regular updates.